Assalamu alaikum. Yes, students, we start our topic indices and standard form. Subject is mathematics, class is PC, and this is third lesson. This is third week from 20th April to 24th April. Methodology, audio aids, visual aids, educational videos, and homework assignments will be helpful in this lesson. Brainstorming. Simple questions will be asked to refresh the prior knowledge. For example, I have some questions, very simple and short questions. For example, number 1, what is the answer of x cube into x power 6 whole square? Answer is x power 15. Write down this number in index form. Answer is x power 5 or 4. Simplify this expression. We get, because this is x power 0 is 1, so ignoring this 1, we get, adding these powers, we get x power 5 by 2, finding LCM of these powers. Similarly, evaluate 5 power minus 2. First we make this power, negative power, into positive. How can we write 5 power minus 2 equals to 1 over 5 square, that is equal to 1 over 25. So this is the final answer for this short. Objectives. By the end of the lesson, students, I hope, inshallah, you will be able to write ordinary numbers in standard form, write down standard form numbers into ordinary form, and add or subtract numbers in standard form. Similarly, you would be able to multiply or divide numbers in standard form. These are main objectives, inshallah, which will be followed. Standard form. Any number in the form of a multiplied by 10 power n is called a number in standard form. Here a is a number such that 1 is equal and less than a is less than 10. It means this a number will be always between 1 and 10. This is never 10 and not this is greater than 10. And n is an integer. This integer may be positive or negative, or it may be 0, but this is not a decimal or a fraction number because this is an integer. Okay, for example 1, write down these numbers in standard form. We are given 26,890. First of all, my simple question is, where is decimal in this number? When there is no decimal, then keep in mind decimal is always on extreme right side, as we have shown here. Now we have to shift this decimal from here to extreme left side, leaving one digit on left side further. So I write this decimal here into 10 raised power plus 4. Plus 4, why this is 4? Because we have moved this decimal 4 places towards left side, so we use here 10 power plus 4. Similarly, 496.15 is a number and we have to write down this number in standard form. Okay, we shift this decimal from here to here, which is the requirement of standard form number, 4.9615 into 10 power plus 2. Again, plus 2 shows that we have moved decimal from here towards left side 2 places. So there is a simple rule for this discussion. When decimal moves on left side, we write 10 powers positive. This arrow also shows the same rule. When decimal moves left side, 10 powers positive are used. Then in this third part of example, 0.000072, change this number into standard form. We move decimal from here to here between 7 and 2. We get 7.2 into 10 raised power minus 5. Why this is power minus 5? Because we have moved this decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 places towards right side, so we use here negative power 5. Similarly, in this case, we have to move decimal from 0.00294. We have to move this decimal from here to here, as I have shown this arrow. So we write 2.94 into 10 powers minus 3. Why this power is minus 3? Again same answer. We have moved 1, 2 and 3 places towards the right side, so we use here 10 powers negative. So this is the simple rule. When decimal moves on the right side, 10 powers negative will be used. This arrow also shows the same rule in symbolic form. When decimal moves right side, 10 powers negative will be used. Example 2. Write the following numbers in ordinary form. This is the reverse or converse process of writing numbers in standard form numbers. We are given a number 2.3 into 10 raised power 5. Again we should remind this 10 power 5. When do we write 10 power 5? As we have discussed in previous example, we use 10 power 5 when we have moved 10 places towards left side. So from here we move 5 places towards right side. From here 5 places right side, here, here and here, as I have shown here. 2 from here decimal moves 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 places to here. Now in this case, when we move on right side, we show here 10 power minus 5. That 10 power minus 5 and then 10 power plus 5 cancel each other. We get this as answer, or simply we can say positive power can be removed by moving decimal towards right side. Similarly, here we have 1.9 into 10 raised power minus 3, which is a negative power. Again we can remove this 10 power minus 3 to make to move this decimal from 3 places from here towards left side. We can vanish this power minus 3. How can? Look at this part. From here 1, 2 and 3, when we move 3 places towards left side, we use here 10 power plus 3. That power plus 3 and this power minus 3 will cancel each other, so we get this answer. So this is the converse or reverse process of the numbers writing in standard form. Addition and subtraction of numbers in standard form. In case of addition and subtraction, we make powers of 10 same. This is the main rule in this part of discussion. We must keep in mind. Smaller powers of 10 is changed into larger power of 10 by moving decimal towards left. This example will help us. 2.3 into 10 to the power 6 plus 9.8 into 10 raised to the power 5. Now these two powers are different. Very simple discussion. These two powers are different. We have to make them equal. We can change this 10 power 6 into 10 power 5, or we can change this 10 power 5 into 10 power 6. Usually we change smaller power into larger one. This will make our work shorter and easy. For example, here I can write this 10 power 5 as 10 power 6 here. Simply I use one place towards left side, because when decimal moves one place towards left side, power plus 1 will be added, so we get this as answer. Okay, no change in this part of number. This number is as it is. Now this number and plus this number, taking this 10 power 6 common from these two, we take this 10 power 6 on right side and these two numbers inside the bracket are written here. 2.3 plus 0.98, adding these numbers in bracket, we get this into 10 power 6. Now this number is already in standard form, so no further change in this answer is possible. This is final answer. Simply we use the trick 5y plus 3y. Taking y common, we get 5 plus 3 and 8. So we must keep in mind, in addition or subtraction of numbers, 10 powers are made same or equal. This is the main rule of this part. Similarly, we are given two numbers for subtraction. Again, these powers are not same. We have to change smaller power, this is smaller power, into larger one. We have to make this minus 5 as minus 4. Simply we move this decimal from here towards left side one place. I write this decimal here and I add 10 power plus 1, which makes this 10 power minus 5 equal to 10 power minus 4. Now same discussion is here. We can take this 10 power minus 4 common from these two numbers, writing this on right side. We get these two numbers inside the bracket, subtract these two numbers and getting this answer, which is already in standard form, so no change in further. Similarly, same rule we have used in case of addition and subtraction. We make 10 powers equal and then take this power common on right side to get answer. In case of multiplication or division of numbers in standard form, we explain this rule by the following example. Example 4. Simplify this number multiplied by this number. Now, I think this multiplication of numbers in standard form is comparatively easily as compared to addition or subtraction, because there is no change in these powers. We can directly multiply this number to this part of number and this number with 10 powers with this part of number. I have shown this multiplication by lines. 2.4 will be multiplied by 1.3, getting this answer, and 10 power 7 into 10 power 5 powers will be added simply and directly we get this answer. Now this part of number is already complete in standard form, so this is your final answer. Similarly, in case of division, no change in these 10 powers. We don't change these, we use them as they are. Simply we divide this number to by this number, and 10 power 11 will be divided by 10 power 5. I have shown this with these lines. 5.6 will be divided by 8 only directly, we get answer 0.7, and 10 power 11 will be divided by 10 power 5. In case of division of same basis, we subtract the powers, so we get 10 power 11 minus 5, we get here 10 power 6. Now very notable point is here, this number is not in standard form. We must change this number. How can we change? We must move this decimal from here towards right side one place, towards the right side. When we move decimal from any place towards the right, we subtract power 1 or we use 10 power negative 1. So this 10 power 6 will be converted to 10 power 5, and this is your answer in standard form. Recap. In the end of the discussion, main points of the discussion may be revised. For example, how standard form of a number is written. We have discussed this complete process or method in example number 3 above we have discussed. And similarly, how numbers are added or multiplied in standard form, same we have discussed in example number 4 above as well. Again we shortly revise. In case of addition or subtraction, we make powers of 10 same and then taking this common we add or subtract numbers. In case of multiplication or division of numbers, we directly multiply decimal part of a number by decimal part, and 10 powers are dealt with each other getting answers. This is the end of the topic. Allah Hafiz.